guys, welcome back to my channel. You tuned in again to Doxology Creations. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you are aware of when I do post new content. And we're gonna get right into it. Hey guys, I'll be starting with my P. Louise Rumor number 5 eye base. I'll be spreading that on my lid. Very thick consistency, so a little goes a long way. Spreading that with my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. Just make sure I have an even base for my eyeshadow. Starting out with the Saharan 2 palette from Juvia Space, and the first color that I'll be using is Taza. And I'll be taking my Morphe M433 brush, going above the crease for a nice transition shade. I'll also be taking that color to the outer corner of the eye to give a wing effect. Next, I'll be using a clean blending brush from BH Cosmetics to blend out that transition shade, just to feather it out a little bit so there's no harshness. Next, I'm going in with the color Zohra from the same palette, and I'll be focusing that color on the outer corner of the eye and also in the crease area. And I'll be using my Morphe M514 brush. To make sure both colors are married together for a smooth transition. Next, I'll be going in with the color Zaz from the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'll be patting that onto the lid. Next, I'm going in with the glitter shade Red Hot from the Bulk Glitters, and to prime my eyelids, I'll be taking my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'll be applying that glitter where those two colors meet in the middle. And the brush I'm using here is just a brush I got from a paint set that I bought in Walmart. I'll be using my black liquid liner from the Sephora collection to achieve my wing. Now that I've finished with my wing, I'm going in with the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer from Fenty Beauty to prime my face. And I'm focusing mainly on my T-zone area, even though I'm applying it all over. Next, I'll be taking my Fasali Skin Tune Blur Primer. I'm just applying that specifically in my T-zone area to blur my large pores. And I'm applying my lashes. I do not remember what style this is. I know that I got it from the INV Kiss collection. And for foundation, today I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Kampala, which is shade 340. I'm just putting that or spreading the product over my face using my fingers. And a little of this foundation actually goes a very long way. And to blend it out, I'll be using my F80 flat kabuki brush from Sigma. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 390. I'm using that as my highlight concealer. And on top of that, I'll be using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade number 12. And putting that on the high points of my face. And for contour, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 445. And I'll also be putting over that the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in shade number 6. I'll be blending that out with my F15 Dual Fiber Brush from Sigma. And to blend out my highlights, I'm just using a damp beauty blender. For my nose contour, I'll be going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade number 6. I'm taking that same dual brush to blend that out. And for setting powder, I'll be using my favorite setting powder, which is the Mercier Translucent Powder, to set underneath my eye. This translucent powder literally melts in your skin. This is the original shade. I'll be using the same brand but a different shade, which is their medium deep shade, to set my contour. Next, we're going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, just to chisel up that contour a little bit. And I'll be taking my Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. I'll be using the shade Oasis. For eyeliner, I'll be going in with my MAC Feline Eye Liner. And I'll be using the Zohra from the Saharan 2 palette for Juvia's Place, just to smudge that out. For today's highlight, I'll be using the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Cleo. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this is my absolute favorite part of the whole makeup experience, the highlight. I'm just popping a little bit of that in the inner corner of my eye. And for lip liner, I'll be using the Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner. And I'll be doing my favorite lip combo, which is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the colors Unveil and Unbutton. And to top everything off, I'll be using my Mario Badescu facial mist to just mystify all of this. I always go overboard with my facial mist, so I'm just gonna help or assist in the drying down process of that mist by just fanning it out. Alright guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment below. And until next time, bye.